Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. I just wanted to show you this little DIY table that I built. It's made out of high quality aircraft aluminum. It's super light and super strong. Let's check it out. I've been waiting a long time to show you guys this little DIY tailgate table that I built. Now, you've probably seen my other video where we installed a composite piece of material like a Lexan plexiglass material, and we installed these hinges. I really like that mod because of the hinges, but the material itself, it didn't allow me to mount any of this gear to it. It's basically pull and unhook it and you can deploy the table. And the table has a bunch of holes in it. It was repurposed from a machine that was given to me, and I was able to use it for this setup. I really like this surface because it's heat resistant and it is wide enough and strong enough to hold my 2-burner Coleman camp stove. And I'll just set that up right here. I did add 2 little LED lights if I'm at night and I need a little bit of light to see what I'm doing. I have that. It's very convenient. So another cool feature that I added to this tailgate was the swaging cables. They're really strong. They're actually, these 2 brackets at the end are picture frame hangers, and they can hold up to 50 pounds. So I got 4 of those, 2 up here on the tailgate, 2 on the bottom. And they're just tied together and swaged with crimps, and they're just basically looped. And then I mounted these picture frame hardware to the plate, to the table, and I went up here and did the same. So that's how these 2 are connected. Pretty simple design. Anyone can do this. You can find all of this hardware on Amazon. I'll list all the parts in the description box below. So I haven't tested how strong this is as far as the cabling that's connected to the table, but the hinges are pretty solid. And if you want to see how I mounted these hinges to this tailgate table, go ahead and watch the video link in the description box below. It shows you how I started off, where I started off, and this is basically an update on my tailgate table / kitchen setup for my Overland rig. And on my wife's Jeep, I just wanted to show you, I went and installed one on her Jeep. So she has the same setup, just not with the fancy bags and everything. But as you can see, she still has the handle loop, just pops off, and there it is, her table. So she's gonna modify it the way she wants to do it and come up with her own thing. But overall, she's pretty happy with the table, and I'm pretty happy with the way it came out as well. But pretty simple setup. It just has the 2 hinges, the material, and the latching mechanism, which you can find really cheap for a set of latches like this on Amazon. And like I said, I'll link all of the materials in the description box below. Just go ahead and talk about it a little bit. For starters, off to the left, I have my like Bowie knife. It's just a basic knife. It has a fishing kit and things like that, compass, whatnot, in here. So that stays there and it works out perfectly. It's just the right length to open and close this door, so that works perfect. This tailgate, on the tailgate. So I have my flashlight. I can deploy this anytime I need. I have light on demand. And so in here, I just have like matches and a compass, and tools like that, fire starter, things like that. And I just basically bolted this box to the back side of it using some 10-30 seconds bolts. No, Charlie. The axe is a 14-inch east wing, and it can be easily deployed, ready to go. I just have to take the cover off, and we are in business to cut materials or anything we need with the axe. And it can easily go back into position like so. The mounting for the quick fist axe. Those are using 10/32 bolts as well. I'll go ahead and show you how that's mounted. It's basically just a hole and one screw that mounts there. And all of this stuff is mounted using, including the hinges here, I'm just basically using 3/4 inch 10/32 Phillip head cap screws. For the little tactical bags we have here, I keep silverware, kitchen utensils, again, lighters, flashlights, backup materials, and safety gear like bandages, different types of, actually right now I have hand warmers in here. I keep this Zippo fuel and 2 hand warmers from my son and I while we're duck hunting out in the fields. Definitely a useful item to stay warm. They can go right here into your shirt pocket. You can put them in your pants pocket, back pocket, whatever you want. You just light it up and you're warm wherever you go. So I'll usually keep that in my pack. This pack I'll usually keep like bandages, gauze, a tourniquet, things like that, band-aids. All my safe gear is in here. I also pack a water filter straw. These come in handy if you know you don't have any water on hand and you're looking at a puddle of mud. You can probably salvage some water out of that puddle of mud with this straw. Now, I mean, if it's watery mud, yeah. But if it's like thick mud, yeah, good luck, that's not gonna happen. So what I really like about this tailgate table are these 2 little bags that hang off the edge that I have mounted, and they can keep all of my silverware and utensils in this bag. As far as lighters, anything I need to deploy my camp stove and my coffee maker. So I really like how these hang off to the side like this, and I can get things as I'm cooking, tools, utensils and spices, anything I need to for when I'm up here cooking, making sandwiches, things like that. So these definitely come in handy. I will link these bags in the description box below. You can purchase them on Amazon for very cheap. And as well as all the gear that I have in this setup. And one of my favorite features about this table is how quickly it can be put back in and put away. So all I have to do is just hook this rubber piece here and it's done. But yep, this is my little tailgate table slash kitchen setup that I'm slowly but surely building for the Jeep. So hey guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I really hope you guys can get some pretty cool ideas from what I built here. Until next time, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next Jeep mod. Peace.